Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a review of an eyeshadow palette. I personally decided to do this video. I love the brand's eyeshadow palettes. I mean, I've only tried two, but they have been both phenomenal. And so there is no sponsorship, no PR. These were purchased by myself. So we're going to be reviewing the Everynight palette from the Mented Cosmetics line. I do have the Everyday. It's what initially introduced me to the brand. And when I saw they had another palette, I had to jump on it because I absolutely love that one. For reference, I wanted to show you the Everyday palette. This is what it looks like. It is in a plastic packaging. This back portion I did myself. It came with the card and I taped it to the back. And the reason for doing that is because there are no names printed inside the palette. So these are 9 eyeshadows for the Everyday palette. And this is what the Everynight palette looks like. Has a little bit of like gold printed on there, reflective gold, mimicking the night sky. We have Mented Cosmetics printed in the front, and it does have the name of the palette printed as well, which is the Everynight eyeshadow palette. Now on the back side of this palette, continuation of that reflective gold, and it labels it as a 24-month shelf life. This is made in the United States of America, right here in the good old USA. This has a net weight of 17 grams or 0.63 ounces. The palette retails for $30 and is sold both at the Mented Cosmetics personal website as well as Ulta.com. In the inside of the palette, you have a nice full-size mirror. Works very well. I used it to apply my eyeshadows today, and it has the Mented Cosmetics logo printed on the bottom right-hand corner. And this is what the inside of the palette looks like. 10 pans. We have a row of shimmers and a row of mattes, ranging from what I would consider maybe even light medium all the way to darker shades. These eyeshadow palettes are very inexpensive, affordable, but they blend and they work just like luxury eyeshadow palettes. I've compared it to my Tom Ford quads, my Charlotte Tilbury palette, some of my Pat McGrath shades. In terms of pigmentation, I would say it's a medium buildable type of formula, but the blending is what sold me in the first palette and wanted me to get the second one. The way that they blend, whether it's just one shade where you're building on top of each other, maybe you want to blow out a transition and just really build it heavy on the lid, it's absolutely stunning. You will see in the tutorials that building the shades on top of each other, blowing them out, blending them in between shades, it just works amazingly. If you're looking for an eyeshadow palette that's going to give you bam, pigment, on contact to your lids, it's just intensity right then and there. This is not what those palettes are. So if we happen to have the same preference in eyeshadow quality where blending is key, these are just, they are spectacular. I'm pretty sure that many of you are interested in the swatches and the eyeshadow looks that I'm going to be creating for you using this palette. So I will be getting into those. For the eyeshadow looks, I wanted to use every single shade in this palette and show you kind of the versatility that you have. It's not just for nighttime looks. You can use this palette for the entirety of the day and get different types of looks throughout. So I'm going to start off with a day look, which is the one that I have here, and then I'm going to transition into a girls outing, kind of midday. Maybe you're going to go to happy hour just to like zhuzh it up a little bit, and then lastly we're going to go all out. We're going to go dark, smoky eye, very editorial, glam, and every single look that I did, the blending, guys, I can't stress it enough, the blending. So without further ado, here are the swatches and the tutorials. So there you have it. It's a bit of a quicker review version, and I want to do my part to promote the brand. Again, I did buy these by myself. So if you are interested, please be sure to check out mentedcosmetics.com as well as ulta.com. I will be linking both of those websites down below for you to check out. Let me know if you have any particular questions about the product, and I'll try my best to answer them in the comment section down below. I don't think I'm going to do an Instagram post. I'll just list all of the products down below. However, if you're interested in any of my makeup looks, past, present, and future, I hope you decide to check me out on Instagram. It'll be the first link in the description box down below, where I post a photo of all my makeup looks along with all the products in the caption. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys.